Hey everyone, what's up? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami claw. And it's a finger puppet. And what's also cool about it is that it's got a ring up here too. So you can wear it like a ring too. See? Just like that. And good luck trying to take it off. There we go, got it off easily. So yeah, so it's a finger puppet claw ring. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty simple to fold. And I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, want to learn it? Here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So, let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. Okay, and now fold in half again. Okay, unfold. And now, we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it up. How much? Fold it up about 1 centimeter, so about this much. It doesn't need to be perfect, but just do the best you can. Try and match what I'm doing. Alright, like that. And now fold it up one more time, so right over that edge. Okay. And now take this edge and fold it to the middle. And make sure it doesn't get all crumpled right on this thick part right there, because it's thicker right here. Okay, like that, and repeat on this side. So just kind of round this thick part off first, that way it's a clean fold right there. Alright, now fold these two edges to the middle again. So one more time. So like this. And repeat on this side. Pretty thick right there, so just do the best you can. Okay, like that. Alright, now we're almost done, so here's the claw right here, and now let's make the ring. So, we're going to make the ring part right here. So to do that, just take these two flaps and make them like this, and then stick one of these points inside the other. I don't think it matters which one. Just stick one inside the other. And you can only stick them in so that just until these 2 points right here meet, until they touch. So, just about like that. It doesn't need to be too strong a block. Alright. And once you did that, you just kind of shape this a little bit. Kind of open it up more. There we go. Alright, once you did that, here is our claw complete. So yep, so it's a finger puppet right here. And if you want, you can just kind of squeeze it a little bit to make it more three-dimensional, like that, so this fold kind of comes up right there. So yeah, so just put your finger into here. See? So it's a nice claw finger puppet. Or you can wear it as a ring, so it's got a little built-in ring right here. So you can wear it as a ring too, see? Or to make it look more like a claw when you're wearing it as a ring, you can turn it over like this and do it like that. Yeah, that's better. See? So it still looks like a claw. So yeah, there it is. And if these points kind of come undone, just reattach them like that. It's very simple. So alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.